How to change your YouTube video category. After uploading a video on YouTube, you probably have a change of mind on the category of that video and you want to change it, but you don't know how. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick way on how to get it done. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. To change your video category, you first have to open your YouTube studio. In order to open it, just go to the address bar and type studio.youtube.com. This will land on an interface like this. On the left panel, you could see dashboard content. In this case, we are going to tap on content. So this will pull out the list of all the videos we currently have. So let's say, for instance, I want to change the category of this one with a thumbnail freeze heading. I'll just proceed to tap on this edit details, then allow it a moment to finish loading, and then scroll down until I locate category. So when you scroll down a bit, you could see the category of this video. In this case, it's located right here. Currently is education. So assuming you want to change it, you can just tap on education. A drop-up menu will appear where you can choose any of the category that you want to put it under. You can make it, for instance, how to install. After that, you can then proceed to tap on save. That's it. You have successfully changed this video category on YouTube. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.